The biggest burden for the prosecution is to prove that Johnathan Quiles killed Iyana Sawyer, even though her body was never found. Snapchat messages between Quiles and Sawyer were read out loud in court today. Those messages reveal much more about their relationship.
I love kissing you. Just after I found out about the boy, it turned me off about a lot of things.
Detective Billy Abbott with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office read those Snapchat messages from Quiles to Sawyer to the courtroom Tuesday.
I'll stay as far away as I can and keep you happy, but not you, Miss Real Friendly. But like I said, it's all good. I'll get over it all.
We spoke with Belkis Plata, a lawyer with Jacksonville law firm Plata Shot Law, about the case. She says much of the evidence is circumstantial since Iyana's body was never found. What is the burden of proof that the prosecution has right now to prove that Quiles was in fact the murderer?
So the state, they carry the burden solely, and it's proven beyond the exclusion of every reasonable doubt. So they have a very high burden that they have to overcome. And for people, when you don't have a body, it's difficult for them to convict because they just don't know.
An informant and Quiles' brother are expected to testify in the coming days. Plata says it's up to the defense to poke holes in their testimony.
So I'm very interested to see about this informant. If in fact he wore a wire and Quiles admitted to certain things, I think that could be a huge turning point for the state.
Plata thinks the testimony from Quiles' brother can potentially sway jurors if he testifies.
I think the jury will really hold on to what his brother is saying, because I can only imagine how difficult it must be for a brother to be called to testify against his own brother. But because of the nature of these charges, I think it will hold a lot of weight for the jurors.
It's not clear what the weight of those Snapchat messages will hold just yet. The reading of those messages were cut short Tuesday with the plan to pick up where they left off Wednesday morning. We're about to go live. At the end of court today, the judge told the jury to expect the trial to go into the end of this week, and depending on the verdict, it can go into early next week. Reporting live in downtown Jacksonville, Ariel Schiller, Channel 4, the local station.
Ariel, thank you.